Now consider the new chapter, that is biomolecules, chapter number 14 of the section second. This is also very important chapter, and for the more weightage in the board examination, that is minimum 10 marks of the questions are there on this chapter. The weightage is with option for the 10 marks. Now you learn, or you, that is always hearing about the biomolecules. You know that carbohydrate, proteins, fats, these are the biomolecules. But there are also in hormones and in enzymes, there are the biomolecules, that is the proteins are of different type. Now you know the protein, or you learn about the protein, you hear about the protein, carbohydrate, fats, always into the biology. But what is chemically these compounds? What is the chemical formula of carbohydrate? What is the chemical formula of protein? And what is the chemical formula of that is the fats, that is the lipids, that we have to learn in chemistry. Now you know that biomolecules are found into the living organism, in plants, in animals, all types of plants, all types of animals, sometimes in the fungi, in bacteria, there are also the biomolecules. Now the first biomolecule which is very important, and which are the energy, that is the energy blocks, we can call that the boost of energy, we can call that are the carbohydrate, because instant energy for our all activities of the body we require the carbohydrate, and after taking the carbohydrate we have the energy, we are energized. You know the glucose is the very that is the readily source of energy, and we obtain the energy in a few seconds after drinking the glucose water. Now what are these carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are biomolecules. Now biomolecules are very large molecules having very large molecular weight. Now suppose they are the biopolymers. Proteins are very large molecules. Proteins are also the biopolymers. Now first take about the carbohydrate. Definition, chemical definition of carbohydrate. What are chemically actually the carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are nothing but they are the polyhydroxy aldehydes or polyhydroxy ketones. Polyhydroxy means they are aldehydes and ketones, but they contain many OH group, more than 3 OH group into their molecule. So polyhydroxyaldehyde or polyhydroxy ketones are called as the carbohydrates. So see here, pay attention, carbohydrates are nothing but they are aldehyde and ketones, but not the simple aldehydes and ketones. Carbohydrates, they are the polyhydroxyaldehydes and polyhydroxy ketones. Or we can define the carbohydrate in this way. Carbohydrates are the polyhydroxyaldehydes or polyhydroxy ketones, or such compounds which after hydrolysis give these units or these compounds. Now see the definition of carbohydrates, chemical definition of carbohydrate. What is actually the carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are defined as the polyhydroxyaldehydes or polyhydroxy ketones, or the compounds which give rise to these compounds. This means the polyhydroxyaldehyde or polyhydroxy ketone on hydrolysis. For example, see, this is the sucrose, that is the cane sugar. You know the cane sugar or sucrose in the everyday life, we use that. Now this sucrose have the formula C12H22OH1. Now it is carbohydrate because it on hydrolysis, that is reaction with the water. You know that this gives one molecule of glucose and one molecule of fructose. Now glucose also have the molecular formula C6H12O6, C6H12O6. These two hydrogen just add into this 24 hydrogens and 12 oxygen, and do half every, that is the elements, into the two different molecules C6H12O6, C6H12O6, both have the same molecular formula, but they contain the different functional groups. Now this glucose is nothing but, now see, this is the structure of glucose. Now this glucose is nothing but it is the polyhydroxyaldehyde. Now as this sucrose gives polyhydroxyaldehyde, so this is also the carbohydrate, because in definition what is there? The compound we give rise, these compounds are also carbohydrates, or the polyhydroxyaldehyde or polyhydroxyketones are also the carbohydrates. Now this is the structure of glucose and this is the structure of fructose. Now glucose contain this aldehyde group in their molecule. See here, compulsory hydrogen, C double bond OH, that is this is aldehyde group. And fructose contain this ketonic group, C double bond O. Two are to the opposite side and this is the ketonic group. So both these are, glucose and fructose are the carbohydrates, and as they are obtained from the hydrolysis of sucrose, so sucrose is also the carbohydrate. Now this sucrose is also called as, this is the, that is it contains the two simple carbohydrate units in their molecule. So it is the, that is this is containing two simple molecule containing carbohydrate, sucrose. Now see how the polyhydroxyaldehyde glucose is. Now see there, in this glucose there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 hydroxyl group. More than 2, so 5 hydroxyl group, so they are polyhydroxy and it contains the aldehyde group. This is. Now in that is the 12th chapter or in the 11th chapter we already seen that there are the 5 asymmetric carbon atoms in the glucose. 1, 2, 3, 5 names. It is 4 because this is the carbon containing the same hydrogen. This is not the asymmetric carbon. And as it contains the double bond directly attached to the oxygen, so this is also not the, that is the asymmetric carbon. Now these 1, 2, 3, 4. So this glucose is optically active compound. Now in fructose there is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hydroxy group. So it is also the polyhydroxy, but it contains the ketone. So it is the polyhydroxy ketone. And in this there are 1, 2, 3 only the that is the asymmetric carbon atom, because the first one and last one carbon contain 2 hydrogen atom, and this is the ketonic carbon. So that is also the not the asymmetric carbon. Still fructose is optically active compound. You know that. Now these both are considered as the carbohydrate. There are also different carbohydrates such as maltose, then lactose, which is found in the milk, that is the milk sugar, that is raffinose. So many carbohydrates which gives the, after hydrolysis they give the polyhydroxyaldehyde or polyhydroxyketone. In this way we can define the carbohydrates. Now let us consider the classification of carbohydrates, that are very important topic.